kayo, tapos ganyan, nandito na kayo. Ang galing nyo, palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili nyo. Thank you, Lord, diba? Hi guys, I'm Ayla. Brad.
Hi guys, I'm a registered nurse from here in UP Manila. And then currently I'm pursuing law in UP Diliman.
Grabe no, nag-nursing na, tapos nag-law pa.
I'm a fan, guys. Just like you.
So, kabatch ko siya, pero nauna siya mag-graduate since nursing siya.
Yeah.
Ako kakagraduate ko lang last time.
Right now, second year law student
Ah,
ako.
galing, grabe. So, ngayon, ang gagawin namin,
Orientation.
Freshie orientation, freshie event. So, casual lang naman, guys. Pero we are the speakers. Ang diba ang ingay sa likod? Ang ingay ng mga freshies, guys. Medyo kinakabahan na ako.
Kaya niyo yan, guys.
Part for this next segment is a newly licensed dentist, content creator, and manager.
Grabe!
Kaya naman, let's all give a warm welcome to Dr. Ira Dizon.
Hi guys! Kamusta kayo? So some of you may know me as a content creator. Sinong kilala ko sa content creator? Some of you may ask me, how did I navigate my transition into UP Manila? If I'm going to be 100% honest, I was overconfident. Feeling ko talaga, I'll figure everything out. Yung pag-transition nyo dito sa UP, isipin nyo siya as eye of the needle. Represent the transition as this challenge. You have to go through it either way. You have two options. Go through it with confidence or go through it with fear. Okay lang kahit ano. Ako, sabi ko, I will go through it with confidence because it will land me more opportunities. And confidence comes from doing. Be willing to look awkward. Be willing to make mistakes. And be willing to get rejected. Remember, wala ka naman talagang choice eh. You have to go through it. Nandito ka na, you have to go through it. Ako, I am not the best speaker. I am not the most fluent speaker. Pero, did that stop me from saying yes to this event? No. Kasi I value growth more kaysa sa naisip ko na mapahiya ako, na ma-wrong grammar ako, na maging awkward ako. Hindi. I'm still pushing through. So like you guys, as a first-year college students, kahit sa classroom lang, or kahit sino lang na makikinig sa inyo, huwag kayong matakot. Actually, pwede namang matakot. Pero you just have to pass through the needle, kahit with fear. And it's fine. How did I balance academics, organizations, and personal life? Well, I do not like excuses. Sarili mo lang naman yung kalaban mo. So balance is not equal to excuse. Ito yung mindset ko. I have that willpower. I have that goal na hindi ko to pwedeng hindi gagawin. Be intentional. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm really ideally disciplined. Pero I always get it done. Be forgiving din sa sarili mo. Pero bangon ka kaagad. Minsan, ni-measure yung success ng tao on how fast you reset. Napagod ka ngayon, bukas, bangon ka kaagad. Don't let yourself mourn for too long. Kasi life happens. If you have minimal excuse, you have the maximal results. My biggest excuse. Nung fourth year ako, this is pandemic ha, nag-drop ako ng subject. I had severe anxiety. Hindi ko kinaya. I needed professional help. It's okay to ask for help if nandun na kayo sa rock bottom or sa situation na ganun. So, kahit na madami tayong pagsubok na pinagdadaanan ngayon, tandaan nyo, you are living the dream you once prayed for. Pinagdasal nyo din to dati. Pinagdasal nyo to nung grade 12 kayo, tapos ganyan, nandito na kayo. Ang galing nyo, palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili nyo. Thank you, Lord, diba? Kaya guys, do your best, huwag nyo sayangin, and i-enjoy nyo. So, I have 4 things that I want you to remember. Una, confidence comes from doing it. it's okay to do it afraid. You just have to go through it. You just have to do it. Second, have minimal excuse. As much as possible, walang excuse. Kung gusto nyong umulad ang buhay nyo ng mas mabilis, minimal excuse. Pero syempre, there are times naman talaga na sasapakin kayo ng buhay, and it's okay to rest. Third, it's okay to ask for help. If hindi nyo na kaya, especially if you need professional help, it's okay to ask for help. And then lastly, find your people. Have friends. Hanap ka ng kadamay. Mas makaka-survive tayo kung may mga kaibigan tayo. So, freshies, be fresh while you're still fresh, and welcome to UP Manila. Guys, pwede bang mag-photo, selfie? Hi, say hi!
Na-enclose ako if nasa health center lang ako or if nasa hospital.
Tapos na kami guys, mag-speak.